What's up, guys? We got another video today with Droid Fighter. This is a 12-shot 500-gram cake by Elite Fireworks, part of their Apex line. So this cake likes says 12 shots up to 185 feet, 1 3/16 inch tubes, all vertical shots. As you can see here, we have effects on the sides of tails to brakes. I believe it has tails actually, but it might not. So here we have willows, tails, strobe, and crackle, with silver, green, gold, and red. And for our description, we have effects that go high there and break into beautiful willows with long-lasting time. Expect some strobe effects to follow each willow with a mix of crackle effects in between tail, willow, or in between the tails and willows. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Sorry, I can't speak today. Looks like we actually have, well, I can see the tube size right now, so that is a 1 3/16 tube, and we have a pattern of 4 rows of 3. So, I'm not going to open it up if I can see the tubes there. Don't need to. Actually, you know what? Let's do it anyways, just to see how high up they're packed. I know this is one of Elite's budget 500-gram cakes, so it's very affordable. I actually don't have the price right in front of me, but oh, this is nice. There we go. See, look at that. You can see the tubes are packed less than an inch from the top, so these things should break pretty nicely. We do have a lot of foam in here, but like I said, you got to spread out those shots so it's stable. And this is, I believe, the cheapest 500-gram cake that they sell at retail. So it's a nice value. Let's go ahead and take it out. Let me know what you guys think. Cake. Droid Fighter.